With airing down your tires, if you look online, there's all sorts of pressures all over for people that tell you what to air your tires down to. And the thing is that there's no specific pressure because it depends on a lot of things, like your vehicle's weight and how large your tires are and what you're doing with the vehicle. So with this vehicle, if I'm going to be taking it on high-speed off-road stuff, taking it off jumps, and I want a smoother ride when I'm going high speed over lots of bumps, I'll run these tires at about 20 to 25 psi. Now if I want to climb up a big rock like this, that tire pressure isn't going to work because the tire is not going to be able to deform enough. And so with something like this, I'm going to go down to 12 to 13 psi. And I want to demonstrate this, how I do it, and a really good tool for getting your air pressure down. This is a tire deflator with a little gauge on it. And this actually screws onto the valve stem and then pulls the valve stem out of the tire. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so now it's unscrewed. So that will pop out. Now we can watch our gauge. We're at 42 psi right now. Okay, we're right at 15 right now. We're gonna go ahead and put the valve stem back in. All right, so we are down here right about at 13 psi. I'm gonna go drive up this rock, and what I want you to do is watch how the tire deforms over the rock. And these are only 32-inch top to bottom tires, and I went through some black diamond trails which tell you need at least a 33-inch tire. And this is why setup is so critical when you're going off-roading. And it's critical, but it's really basic. Anyone can do this. The thing is, you go out there and you see guys with very capable cars with very large tires not being able to get through some stuff because they don't know how to set up their cars. More money than brains is not always a good thing. So let's go ahead and drive up this rock. All right, as you can see, we popped up on this rock, and this is a good way to work on your car. I'm just kidding, that's not safe, but very impressive how this car just hops right up on the rock just because of this low air pressure here. I'm gonna go around and get some shots of this because it looks so cool. But yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you enjoy your truck.